Let's be real, the world of business is changing faster than ever. And in 2025, one phrase dominates every conversation: AI automation. You've seen people online saying they're making money using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Midjourney, and Notion. But the real question is, how? Today, we're breaking down exactly how you can make money from AI tools and automation, even if you've never coded, started a business, or launched anything online before. Because here's the truth: AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing processes. And if you understand how to use it, you can build income streams that literally work while you sleep. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about AI digital products. One of the easiest and most scalable ways to earn passive income right now. You can use ChatGPT to create ebooks, online courses, templates, or guides. Then design them beautifully using Canva or Notion and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. The secret here is value create something that solves a specific problem, like AI prompts for productivity or small business automation templates. Once it's live, your digital product keeps selling 24/7 without you doing a thing. That's true automation. Now, let's move to the next goldmine: AI freelancing. You don't need years of experience. Just know how to use AI tools efficiently. Businesses are hiring freelancers who can generate content, manage social media, or design graphics faster using AI. You can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, Jasper or copy, AI for ad copy, and Canva for designs. Offer these services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, and suddenly your AI skills become your ticket to financial freedom. Even if you charge small at first, say $50 a gig, AI allows you to complete 5-10 times the work you could before. Which means more clients, more income, and more scalability. Third, let's talk about YouTube automation, the faceless business model everyone's buzzing about. You don't even need to show your face or record your voice. Use ChatGPT to write your video scripts, 11 Labs, or Play, HT4 AI voiceovers, and tools like Pictory, Runway, or CapCut to generate or edit visuals. These videos can earn ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate income once your channel grows. Many creators are making $100, $500 a day through faceless content alone. And the best part? Once you automate your process, you can post consistently without burning out. Next, we have AI-powered marketing and automation agencies, a huge opportunity in 2025. Small businesses are desperate for help with content, branding, and social media, but can't afford large teams. You can step in by using AI tools to automate their workflow: ChatGPT for content, Canva for visuals, Notion for scheduling, and Zapier for connecting it all. You can run full marketing campaigns solo and charge clients $500, $2,000 a month. That's how AI is turning freelancers into one-person agencies. And let's not forget affiliate marketing, one of the most powerful yet underrated ways to make money using AI. Create a blog, newsletter, or TikTok account around AI tools. Review them and add affiliate links. When people sign up or buy through your link, you earn a commission. AI tools like ChatGPT can write your product reviews, Jasper can optimize your SEO, and Canva can design your graphics, all automated, all working while you sleep. The key here is consistency. Once your content ranks, the passive income starts flowing. Now, some people think AI will replace jobs, and it's true. It will replace people who don't learn it. But for those who do, AI becomes the ultimate business partner. You can use automation tools like Zapier, Airtable, or Make.com to connect your workflows, automate client emails, invoices, posting schedules, and more. The less you do manually, the more you can scale. Think about it. Instead of spending hours writing, designing, or managing, AI tools handle it instantly, freeing you to focus on growth. The beauty of all this is accessibility. You don't need huge capital, just creativity and consistency. Start with one idea, one skill, and one AI tool. Build momentum, learn as you go, and adapt fast. Every successful creator and entrepreneur in 2025 is leveraging AI not just to save time, but to create value. Whether it's automating your content, launching a faceless brand, or creating digital products, there's no limit to how far you can go. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start your side hustle, this is it. AI has leveled the playing field. No more excuses, no more gatekeepers. You can literally start from your laptop and build something that earns while you live your life. The people winning right now aren't the smartest. They are the ones taking action before everyone else.